To set custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, you will need to open your files. Sadly, you won't be able to change your notification sound normally through the settings. We'll need to move a file first. So here in the files, look for the storage for your phone. We're going to click on internal storage, and then we can enter music right here, go for a Samsung, and then click and hold your finger on the file that you want to use. Of course, you may see different path for a file that you're planning to use as notification sound. And now we want to click on the copy or move, it's your choice, and then we want to move it again to internal storage, then look for notifications and paste it right here. That way, if we go into the settings, we can scroll into sound and vibrations, click on notification sound, and here is a custom sound that I've copied to the notifications. We can click on it to use it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.